Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're going to be discussing our question answers of our chapter Indian Industries. So let's move on to our first main, that is fill in the blanks. In that, our first question is Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited is located in Karnataka state. Number 2, bauxite is the main raw material for steel industry. Number 3, the paper industry is a forest based industry. Number 4, the first modern paper mill was set up in 1932 at Serampur. Let's move on to our second main, that is answer the following questions. In that, our first question is what is meant by manufacturing industries? Mention the factors of their location. This answer is self-assessment. Our second question is list out the major industrial regions of India. The answer of this question is there are 8 major industrial regions of India. They are 1. Mumbai Pune region, 2. Hooghly Kolkata region, 3. Madurai Coimbatore region, 4th Ahmedabad Vadodara region, 5th Delhi Meerut region, 6th Vishakhapatnam Guntur region, 7th Kollam Thiruvananthapuram region, 8th Bangalore Tamil Nadu region. Our third question is given account of aluminium industry in India. The answer of this question is aluminium is the most important non-ferrous material. The location of aluminium industry is the second important metal based industry in India. Major aluminium plants are located in Jakayanagar in Bengal, Alampuram in Kerala, Methur in Tamil Nadu, Belgavi in Karnataka, Hirkud and Damanjodi in Odisha, Renukut in Uttar Pradesh, Korabba in Chhattisgarh, and Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. It is used in manufacturing steel, aeroplanes, automobiles, railways, ships, household appliances, electrical cables, etc. Our fourth question is describe the distribution of cotton textile industry in India. The answer of this question is textiles is the largest industry in the country. India ranks second in the world in the production of cotton fabrics. The first cotton textile mill was started in Bombay in the year 1854. Major cotton textile producing areas are in the cotton growing states such as Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. Maharashtra and Gujarat occupy the first place among the cotton textile producing states of India. Mumbai is the main cotton textile center in India. It has the largest number of cotton textile mills in India. Therefore, it is called Cottonopolis or also Cotton City of India. It is also the Manchester of India. Our fifth question is write the importance of knowledge based industry in India. The answer of this question is as IT industry is based on human knowledge, it is called knowledge based industry. It has become a powerful tool of socio-economic change. It is very helpful in the fields of education, healthcare, and has become an essential aspect of all types of industries. It is also helpful in storing and communicating information to farmers. It has become an important item of export in India and earns a large amount of foreign exchange for the country. Our next main is match the following. Third main, in that our first question is Bengaluru. The answer is option D, Silicon Valley of India. Number 2, Mumbai. The answer is option B, Cottonopolis of India. Number 3, Bhadravati. Answer is option A, VISL. Number 4th is Renukut. Answer is option C, Aluminium Industry.